Using a manual breast pump can be an effective and convenient way to express milk for your baby. Follow this step-by-step guide to ensure a comfortable and efficient pumping experience. 1. Prepare your pump. Before starting, ensure all parts of the pump are clean and properly assembled. Wash your hands thoroughly to maintain hygiene. 2. Find a comfortable space. Choose a quiet, relaxing environment where you can sit comfortably. This helps stimulate letdown and makes the process smoother. 3. Position the pump. Place the flange, breast shield, over your nipple, ensuring a proper fit to avoid discomfort or reduced milk flow. 4. Start pumping. Use the pump handle to create suction. Begin with gentle, quick squeezes to mimic your baby's initial suckling, then transition to slower, deeper pumps once milk starts flowing. 5. Switch sides. Alternate breasts every 10 to 15 minutes or when milk flow decreases. 6. Store milk properly. Transfer expressed milk into sterilized storage containers and refrigerate or freeze immediately. With practice, manual pumping becomes easier and more efficient, providing flexibility while maintaining your breastfeeding journey.